Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Amazfit has launched a new variant of the Amazfit BIP and it's the BIP S. It's the third version in the BIP series after the original BIP and the BIP Lite. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out more about the features of this newly launched smartwatch. In the front of the box we have the Amazfit branding along with the picture of the smartwatch. And then you have some features such as this smartwatch comes with the always on color display. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, it's lightweight, you get the heart rate sensor, notification support, built-in GPS, multi-sport tracking, and lastly, you get the long-lasting battery in this smartwatch. At the back of the box we have the technical specification. The price of this smartwatch is Rs 4,999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So inside this box we get one more box and inside it we have the smartwatch itself. Amazfit BIP S is very similar looking to the original BIP. This smartwatch is available in 4 colors and the one we have here is the black variant. And guys, in my opinion, the dual tone color variant looks really good. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we get the user guide and it has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then here we have the charging dock. You don't get a magnetic charging dock in this, but instead this one snaps at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit BIP S feels premium and well built. This smartwatch is feather light and weighs only 31 grams. You get the silicone strap in the smartwatch which are replaceable. The quality of the straps as usual is pretty good. Now talking about the screen in this smartwatch, you get the transflective display in this same as the previous version. The resolution of the display is 176 by 176 pixels. The older versions came with the 8 colors, but the BIP S has the advantage of 64-bit RGB colors. Apart from that, you also get the Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Now in terms of overview, the body of this smartwatch is made up of polycarbonate. The button on the side is stainless steel, by which you can turn on the backlight or unlock the smartwatch. At the back we have the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. Talking about the charging, here is how you connect the charger to the smartwatch. Now let's turn on the watch for the first time. So here it is on and asking us to download the app Amazfit. I already have the app installed and we just need to go to the add device section and select the BIP S and scan the QR code. And here it is, the watch is now connected to our smartphone. One thing I must tell you that when you're connecting the watch for the first time, you will get couple of updates including a firmware update. And then the watch will take some time to update the resources, GPS and also the fonts on this smartwatch. So here it is, the watch is ready to use. Now let's go through the menu. So here is the watch face first and you can also change the watch face by long pressing on the screen. And here you have 5 pre-installed watch faces. And out of them, you can also customize 2 watch faces according to your preferences. Apart from that, the app also allows you to choose from more than 40 watch faces. In terms of menu, when you swipe down from the top, you have the quick settings, which includes brightness, DND and music controls. When you swipe right from the left on the watch face, you have the weather and here you can see the weather forecast if you swipe up on the screen. Upon swiping left from the right side, you have the music controls, fitness status, where you have your current step count, calorie burned and distance traveled. After that you get the PAI, which is the Personal Activity Intelligence. This is an added feature in the Amazfit watches to give you better info about your fitness activities. And then we have the heart rate and weather again, completing the menu. Swiping up from the bottom on the watch face shows you the notifications you have received on this smartwatch. Now in terms of the options, you can access the menu by pressing the crown button once, and here we have the status which includes step count details, and then you have the heart rate. And about the heart rate sensor, this smartwatch supports continuous heart rate monitoring and it's quite accurate in my opinion. And then we have the PAI. After that we have the workout menu. In this smartwatch you get total 10 sports modes, which includes outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking and so on. This smartwatch is also 5 ATM waterproof, so you can use it while swimming as well. For tracking your workout, you also get the built-in GPS and the GLONASS support in this smartwatch. And with this, you can see your running route and your pace in the app after the workout session. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the weather, alarm, timer, which includes stopwatch and countdown. After that we have the compass, and this is the first time BIP series has the compass in the smartwatch. And then we have the music control. And guys, you don't have the option to transfer the music in this watch, but you can control the music playing on your phone using this smartwatch. With this, you can change tracks as well as increase or decrease the volume. And then lastly we have the settings of this watch. Here you have the watch face option, long button press, by which you can set what happens when you long press the crown button. And then we have the brightness settings. The brightness of the watch is good. I have tested the smartwatch in both indoor and outdoor, and in the outdoors it's pretty bright. And at night you can also use the backlight feature. The best feature of this screen is the always on display. Now coming back to the settings, you also have the find device feature by which you can locate your phone. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. Now let's look at the app. Amazfit app was recently updated with new look, and there are a lot of new features in the app. So on the home page you have the fitness data including step count, heart rate and sleep data. On the second page of the app, it shows you some recommendations and the things you can do on your connected device. The setting page shows you the device list, and if you use more than one Amazfit device, here you can switch between them. In these settings, you have the available battery first, and here are the options. You have the watch face menu, and as mentioned earlier, you get 40 third-party watch faces. And then we have the notification settings, and here is how you get the call notification. You get the vibration alert, and in this watch, you can also silent the call or reject the incoming call. Now let me also show you how you get the message notifications. Coming back to the settings, we have then the idle alert, goal notifications and so on. This smartwatch also have the lift wrist to view, which is actually raise to wake feature. And when you raise or flick your wrist, it turns on the light on the smartwatch. So overall Amazfit BIP S is a feature-packed fitness smartwatch. It's lightweight and very comfortable on the hand. The display is good, and one thing which is impressive in this smartwatch is the battery life. You get 40 days battery backup with the moderate use, and I think it's quite possible due to my experience with the previous BIP variants, which offers even better 45 days battery backup. I'm yet to test the data accuracy, but as of now I can say that the step count and the heart rate data is pretty accurate. And guys, I'll be using this smartwatch now as my primary watch for a few days, and if you have any questions or doubt, then definitely ask me in the comment section below. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget smartwatch with good battery backup and design, mainly for your fitness activities, then I highly recommend you to check out this smartwatch. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit BIP S. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.